Hey, to perform the factory reset of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 by using recovery mode, first of all, you will have to click and hold on these two buttons at the same time. And now you will get this off logo, so you will have to keep holding until the screen goes black. And when the Samsung logo appears, you will have to release both buttons and then quickly tap on the home button 2 times. As you can see now, we are just in the reboot mode, and we have to keep tapping on the home button until we scroll into the recovery. It's between the power off and the factory. Now click and hold the home button to enter for the recovery mode and release when the screen goes black, and just like this. Now we have to wait around 15 to 20 seconds until the recovery mode pops up, and we are going to continue with this factory reset process. So you have to just wait a little bit. Okay, and as you can see right now we are in the recovery mode, so all we have to do is just to keep scrolling with our finger, just like this, until we find wipe data factory reset, and then click once on the home button to confirm. Then scroll, select factory data reset, click on the home button again, and now just wait until this process will be finished. There we go, now it's finished. So all you have to do right now is to click on the reboot system now, select the reboot system now, and click on the home button to confirm. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.